स्वागत है दोस्तों आप सभी का आपके पसंदीदा चैनल टेक्निकल बैकबेंचर्स में। In this video we see the introduction of thermodynamics. Firstly we see the what is the thermodynamics. The basic definition of the thermodynamic, it is the branch of the science that deal with the energy levels and the transfer of the energy between systems and the different state of the matter. Now we see the thermodynamic system. The system is a finite quantity of the matter or prescribed region of the space. And the boundary, the actual or hypothetical envelope enclosing the system, is the boundary of the system. Now we see the types of thermodynamic system. First one is the closed system. The closed system can exchange energy but not matter with the surrounding. Next one is the open system. Open system can exchange both energy and matter with the surrounding. And the last one is the isolated system. An isolated system is that system which exchange neither energy or nor matter with the surrounding. Now we see the basic definition of process and path. The process, it is any change that a system undergo from one equilibrium state to the another equilibrium state. And the path is the series of states through which a system passes through during a process. It is called as the path of the system. The figure show process diagram. Now we see the quasi-static or quasi-equilibrium process. Quasi means almost, and quasi-static process is called as a reversible process. This process is a succession of the equilibrium state and a finite slowness is its characteristics feature. The process proceeds in such a manner that the systems remains infinitely close to the equilibrium state at all times. Now we see the properties of the system. A property of the system is the characteristics of the system which depend upon its state but not upon how the state is reached. These are two sorts of the property. First one is the intensive property. These properties do not depend on the mass of the system. Example, temperature and pressure. And extensive property, this property depend on the mass of the system. For example, volume and velocity. Let's see the state and thermodynamic equilibrium. The state, it is each unique condition of the system. Equilibrium is a state of balance with no unbalanced potential with the system. The equilibrium is further classified into the three subtypes. First one is the thermal equilibrium. The temperature of the system does not change with the time and has the same value at all points of the system. Next one is the chemical equilibrium. There are no unbalanced force with the system or between the surrounding. The pressure in the system is the same value at all points and does not change with respect to time. Chemical equilibrium. No chemical reaction takes place in the system and the chemical composition, which is same throughout the system, does not vary with the time. Thank you. Like and subscribe our channel.